guys, welcome to Recipes Tested. My name is Brianna Robinson, and today I'm gonna be making some gluten-free maple bar donuts. I did another donut recipe here, and I'm super excited to get a request for this one. I got this off Pinterest from the website Lynn's Kitchen Adventures. Super stoked for these. Maple bars are my personal favorite donut. When I was a kid, every Sunday, my dad would go get the paper and he would come back and bring back a dozen donuts. And he would always get me a maple bar. And so it's just a little bit of a special fond memory that I have. So I hope that you guys enjoy this recipe. And if you're curious to see how it goes, just keep watching and I'll get testing. So I first got going with my rice flour, potato starch, and cornstarch. And my xanthan gum. Next I put in my salt and baking powder, mix that together. And then I got going on my buttermilk and my first ingredient of color, which was eggs, my oil, and the maple extract. And then I put my buttermilk in and mixed that all up and poured my wet ingredients to my dry and mixed it together, and it was so thick and such a pain in the cahoot to mix. And I poured it as hard as I could make it possibly into my little bag, sprayed my pans, and then I tried to get the dough out and it was just not really coming. It was really hard, and then I realized it's because I forgot my sugar. So I had to dump it all out, add the sugar in, and try to mix it together as best I possibly could, and then go again. And it was significantly easier to pipe with all of the ingredients in. And then I just made my glaze with corn syrup, maple extract, vanilla extract, and the powdered sugar and water. And then I mixed that together and my whisk broke. This recipe was just such a hot mess. And then I baked the donuts. And then after that, I dipped them twice in the maple glaze. And that was it. Pretty easy. And the corn syrup provided a really nice crunch on the donuts. Guys, so the donuts are done. I think, let me count, 6, 10, I got 22 donuts, 12 mini and 10 full-sized. So I'm gonna go ahead and give these a taste, let you know if they're love at first bite. So it's got a lot of maple flavor, and I know that this is not going to be identical to a regular gluten-included maple bar, but these are very good. I would just say that I don't think that the actual donut has a ton of flavor. I'm really just getting like a, kind of like a dry, cakey texture with a really, really sweet, mapley flavored glaze. Look! You wanna try one? You wanna try this one? Yummy. I would rate this at least an 8.5, if not a 9 out of 10. Super good, super easy. The ingredients, I mean, if you can pick them up at a bulk food store like I did, yeah, I give this a huge thumbs up. Do you like it, Chubbs? Yeah, so let me know if you guys have any other requests, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. You want more? Say more, please. Say please. Good girl. All right.